स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hey guys, welcome to Manover. I'm Advocate Nisha Lotia and today I'm glad to announce the free live workshop of Legal Aptitude section for all the law aspirants. I'm sure that this live workshop will not only enhance your preparation strategy but will also definitely boost your score. So guys, save the date 27th Feb Saturday at 7 p.m. for the live mega workshop. But before that, do fill the registration form and book your seats. Link for the same has been mentioned in the description. Guys, as we all know that the law is really vast, so for the entrance exam it is crucial that you prepare smartly. Therefore, preparation is the key of your entrance exam, whereby you can score really well, guys. So in this slide we're gonna look at the highlights of the workshop, and all these topics I'm gonna cover in brief, guys. So must do topics, which are the most important topics which you need to prepare yourself before entering the examination hall, guys. Less important topic in the sense you do not need to give lot of time to certain topics which is just for a single or couple of marks, guys. Next very important point we all need to know about is that we have lengthy principles, lengthy facts and the lengthy options. So how to read and what to read is also gonna be very important. Types of questions, what you need to do, what you don't need to do, how much importance you need to give to the maxims, the principles, big faction questions, and the assertions and reasons. All these types of queries I'll be answering, guys. And another important aspect is the time management. How much time is required to allot to each type of question? We'll be discussing that also in details, guys. We'll be solving some memory based questions. We'll be solving some frequently asked questions like some damnum sine injuria sine damnum, all those types of questions which are you should know before entering your examination hall, guys. Next, with the last, we'll be answering all your doubts, and I'll be explaining you in detail what is the importance of mocks, what is called as the analysis of mocks. Everything will be discussed, and this is to keep yourself motivated, that guys, be confident and have a positive attitude, have a positive mind, because we all know that legal, if done in a right perspective, will really boost your score, as it is a highly scoring section, guys. And do not forget to fill the registration form. In that you need to fill up your name, your law entrance exam which you are appearing, whether MH Law, CET 3 years, 5 years, CLAT, ALET, आप जो भी exam दे रहे हो, do mention that exam, your contact number, your email ID, the state and the city. All these things are need to be filled up, and the link for the same has been mentioned in the description. Okay, guys, so see you soon on 27th Feb. Saturday 7 p.m. Okay, till that, prep smart and study smart. Thank you.